First up tonight, big news for parents hoping to get their children vaccinated for COVID-19. Advisors to the FDA have voted to recommend emergency use authorization of Pfizer's vaccine in kids 5 to 11 years old.
That means some 28 million kids in the U.S. could soon be eligible to roll up their sleeves once the FDA makes its final ruling in the coming days. Fox 12's Drew Reeves joins us now live in studio and explains what happens now.
Yeah, that Pfizer vaccine is now one step closer to becoming available for the youngest age group who has yet to get vaccine approval. The independent group today voted 17-0 in favor of granting emergency use. An independent FDA advisory committee has voted to modify the emergency use authorization for the Pfizer vaccine to allow children from 5 to 11 to get the shot.
I think we all have been feeling the urgency for a vaccine for children for quite some time.
The group weighed the potential benefits to the possible risks. If fully authorized, the dose for young children would be smaller than the normal vaccine. It would be a third of the dose given to people 12 and older and would be 2 shots 21 days apart. Doctors say that vaccinating young kids is essential to ending the pandemic. Data from Pfizer shows the vaccine was 91% effective in clinical trials for kids 5 to 11.
One shouldn't actually discount the fact that kids can get pretty sick with COVID-19. Sadly, more than 700 children have died of COVID since this pandemic began. This would be one significant step forward in getting our country really in a better place.
Federal officials say that they are ready to ship millions of doses of the vaccine to schools, doctors, and healthcare providers.
This is the perfect way to help protect your children from getting COVID-19.
The FDA did say that the shots carry a very rare risk for young kids of inflammation of the heart muscle and lining, but they said the risk of COVID-19 is higher if enough virus is circulating. And it is now up to the full FDA to make a final decision. Then the CDC will vote on whether to recommend it. That means vaccines could be available to kids 5 to 11 by early November. Live in studio, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.